It lets you stay focused and in control the entire time, and it gives your body a much lower, reduced level of sensitivity. You want to know the truth to lasting longer in bed? Well, give me 5 minutes and I'm going to show you the exact steps that I use to turn myself from a 2-pump chump into a world-class endurance stud. I disappointed every single woman I slept with for 25 years, and I turned it around. Now I'm going to show you how. But before I do that, I want you to click the link below. There's a free PDF with my 7 deadly stamina sins. And what that's going to do is going to help you avoid the 7 most costly mistakes that you're making right now, and it's preventing you from lasting much, much longer. So click that link below and get that PDF sent to you faster than you last inside of your girlfriend. Now, let's get started. I know you've probably been struggling with this for a long, long time. And the reason is because it doesn't seem like there's any possible way to fix it. It seems impossible, right? How can I possibly fix this? I just with a woman, and then I get excited, and then and there's nothing I can do about it, right? Wrong. You absolutely can do something about it. And here's the good news. It's all in your mind. It's all in your mind. And before you click away, before you say that's the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my entire life, think about this. Why is it that in Europe they did a study where they discovered when a doctor is shooting someone in the arm with a syringe injection, that the person who looked directly at the injection while they were receiving it experienced 65% less pain than the group who was not looking at the shot when it happened? Because they were looking at it, they were focused, they knew what to expect, they directly experienced less sensitivity in their body. Now, pain is not exactly the same as sexual pleasure, but there are some similarities, and the concept is exactly what we want to focus on. When you are focused on something else, when you are focused on a task, your body, your brain tells your body to shut down certain things, shut down certain energy systems in your body, in order that you can focus on the task at hand. So what you've got to do is you've got to stay focused in a certain specific way. It's called state switching to your masculine and your feminine energy. The feminine is what makes you not last very long. It's chaotic. There's no control. The masculine is what makes you last very long. It lets you stay focused and in control the entire time, and it gives your body a much lower, reduced level of sensitivity. And so that is what you have to do. You've got to get your mind into that masculine state of control so that you can have reduced sensitivity the entire time. And that is the big secret. It's all in your mind. It's all in your mind, and how your mind controls your body and your body's levels of sensitivity when you're with a partner or even by yourself. And I'm going to give you a little piece of homework that you can do right now to start paying attention to the different states of when you're in your masculine versus when you're in your feminine. Now, the next time you're with your woman, when you guys are in the room together, just a regular day, you're in the room together, pay attention to the frame of mind that your mentality and your body is in. You're focused on whatever you were talking about, whether it was the bills, the dishes, what you're going to do that night, etc., etc. Now, notice how there's no feeling of being aroused in that state. You're just normal. And if you grabbed your junk right at that moment, nothing would really happen because your brain isn't priming your body for it. The trick, the key to doing this is so simple. You just stay in that frame of mind, that focused frame of mind. You don't make the transfer from that state into the feminine chaotic state where you're overstimulated and you get hypersensitive down there. So pay attention to when you're with your woman and then you get closer together, and then let's say you go in for a kiss and then you start making out, and then pay attention to how your all of your energy here, and especially down in your lower areas, how that changes. Pay attention to how that changes, and you almost start going into a kind of a trance. You're almost mesmerized and hypnotized by the fact that your body is starting to take control and become into that feminine state that is telling your mind, here we go, it's time for action, and you just give up all control, and whatever happens, happens, anything goes. That's the wrong state to be in, okay? So all you have to do is pay attention to when those states change and start working on staying in the original state, the original masculine state. And there's ways you can strengthen the masculine state too, so that you can stay in there longer and last there longer. But you want to do everything you can to avoid transferring into that feminine state where you start to lose control and this gets tingly and you start to feel the energy rising and everything gets, oh, I'm getting excited, all that tingling down there and all the symptoms telling you that things are about to happen quick. Got to avoid all of that. And once you master that, you're going to be well on your way to becoming a world-class endurance stud in no time. But if you want some extra help doing that, click the link below, grab my free PDF about the 7 deadly stamina sins, and I promise that's going to help you increase your time in bed overnight. That's all I got for today. Come back and see me next time for more tips on how to last longer in bed.